If you have a dog, are you taking their health seriously by giving them good vitamins? As a dog breeder, we take our mother's health very seriously. As you can see, we use a bunch of the Wolf Wells brand. This one is the hip and joint. So we breed Bernedoodles. So our Bernese Mountain Dogs, obviously a big dog, they can have hip and joint issues. Ours, luckily, have not had any of that. But we want to do all that we can to support their health and help their joints. These are all natural. They have all the good ingredients. I will list the ingredients here. All of their stuff has 0 sugar, 0 artificial colors and flavors. They have no corn, no wheat, no grain. There's 140 chews for the price is great. So I'll link it here if you're interested. I think they're having a sale for the holiday haul on TikTok Shop right now. So now would be a great time to try it.